Good morning. Welcome to Coffee and a Forecast. It's Monday. I know, January 23rd. So, Luke, how you doing? Yeah, great coffee this morning. Really fresh. Hey, this is last night's sunset, taken from the foothills at sunset, and it was beautiful. And as you could tell, there were some clouds yesterday, and just enough to help aid in the sunset enhancement. It was very nice. If you want to see a bigger version of this on your browser where you can stare at it longer, go to TucsonWeather.us and then click on Almanac for Sunday, January 22nd, which is what this is. The high yesterday, 62, so it was a pleasantly cool day. There was plenty of sunshine though, so it felt a little warmer than that if you were out in it. 66, our average high for this time of year, so 4 degrees below average with a low right at average of 40 yesterday. Let's see, for rain and snow, we're about a ½ inch below average at the airport. Keeping in mind the airport only got 1400ths from that last storm, and that was about the smallest amount around town. Up here in Oro Valley, we had probably the most, around a ½ inch, so we're closer to this normal. The good news is, looks like we have a pretty good chance of rain tonight into tomorrow morning, and so we might whittle away at this a little bit. All right, sunrise this morning in 1 hour and 20 minutes at 7:23, and sunset tonight at 5:49. Here's the forecast, and we'll have a few high clouds today, and maybe by afternoon a few more than a few high clouds. Breezy conditions too, only 10 to 15 on the winds, but I thought I'd just put breezy in here just so you're aware of that. A little bit of moving air, and a little bit warmer than yesterday too, 68, with those winds out of the west, south-southeast, and then becoming westerly. By tonight, mostly cloudy, 50% chance of showers, mainly after midnight, low near 42, and then showers lingering into the morning with a 20% chance of that, and then breezy conditions too. Again, winds really only about 10 to 15, but breezy and cooler, 60, and kind of chilly Wednesday morning, and Wednesday's high about 64, Thursday around 70, Friday 74, and then Saturday 72, and Sunday near 70. So a little cooler during the weekend, but still very pleasant weather. Outside right now, it's a little chilly. Safford near freezing at 33. Here's 36 between Bisbee and Sierra Vista. 34 from Nogales Airport, so that's not too far from freezing. 36 in Casa Grande. Definitely need your jacket this morning. And again, we have another hour and a half to cool off, so these values could get a little colder right around sunrise. Benson at 33 right now, just north of Catalina at 34. Looks like we have 30s in the metro area, 38 for Marana, 37 at the airport. Here's a 32 on the southeast side, Foothills 37, and Summerhaven at 28. All right, here's our next storm system, and I hate that last frame we have this big chunk of missing data. But if you watch right in here, here's our storm, and it's bringing some rain to central California and heavy snow to the Sierra Nevada. And this is the storm system that's headed our way for tonight. And you can see the clouds starting to increase a little bit, mostly moving across like the northern half of the state. Flagstaff has some off and on cloudiness this morning, and down into southern California. We will see more of this, especially this afternoon, and then by tonight, of course, increasing clouds and that chance of showers after midnight and into tomorrow morning. Here's the national forecast, and we have a lot of problems this morning in parts of Alabama. Some reports of damage from tornado, a couple tornadoes I think, this morning, with tornado watches here and obviously some tornado warnings too. So very active this morning in the south with more severe thunderstorms possible throughout the day. North of the warm front, it's just rain and thunderstorms for the mid-Atlantic coast. And then rain further to the north, and then a little bit of snow further to the north of that. So Michigan, you could see some snow. The UP of Michigan, heavy snow, and into Wisconsin as well. For the west, it's mainly this storm system that's moving into central California right now, which will be our storm system for tonight. And so rain already in central California with heavy snow in the Sierra Nevada, spreading into southern California, eventually that rain, and then into Arizona tonight, southern Arizona tonight, with some snow possible for the northern half of the state, and heavy snow into Utah and parts of Colorado too. Meanwhile, the Pacific Northwest, No rain today, I don't think. So it's a no precip here. But maybe late in the day starting to hit the coast and then moving in for tonight for the folks of Portland, Oregon. Here's our forecast once again. There's a few high clouds today and probably increasing this afternoon. Breezy, 68. Mostly cloudy tonight with a 50% chance of showers after midnight, lingering into tomorrow. Tomorrow breezy as well and cooler, high of 60. And then Wednesday, sunny, and we start the warming trend. 64 Wednesday. Thursday, about 70. Friday, 74. Saturday, 72. And Sunday, 70. There you have it. Coffee and a forecast. We got you forecasted all the way through the weekend. So have a wonderful Monday. It can happen. Happy Monday is not an oxymoron. Not around here. Enjoy the rest of your coffee and the rest of your day. We'll see you tomorrow morning on Coffee and a Forecast.